I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop to live on Bitcoin and Lightning. They've got all the best gift cards, things like Amazon, Apple, Best Buy, Airbnb, Uber, and much more. You can even do hotel bookings, you can do all of your travel, and you can now grab prepaid MasterCards as long as you have a US address that you can input. Check them out today, bitrefill.com. Links are down below to sign up now. Reason for being bullish centers around what's known as an Uncle Jim. So if you don't know the term, Uncle Jim effectively meaning like I guess a caretaker and an elder that would take care of people in their Bitcoin journey. And you can Uncle Jim in many ways, but a lot of that centers around helping people get their Bitcoin infrastructure sorted. And so some of the ways that you can Uncle Jim is you can set up complicated infrastructure that somebody else might not be capable of doing themselves yet, you know, in particular, close friends and family members, people that you know in your day-to-day life and that you trust them. And you can help them by having things like, you know, backups for them or walking them through their hardware, whatever it may be. I did a video on an Uncle Jim setup this week, something called BIP85. And so this was my tutorial that I dropped earlier this week. And so BIP85 basically means that, and I used it in the context of using it with a cold card wallet, but by no means specific to cold card. You can use it with other options like seed signer and so on and so forth. Whenever you set up a cold card or any Bitcoin wallet, you have your seed phrase. And usually that's kind of the long and the short of it for most people. But with BIP85, what it does is it allows you to create your initial seed phrase. And then all of a sudden that seed phrase kind of becomes like the parent seed phrase or like the master seed phrase. And from that, you can derive up to 10,000 independent seed phrases. And the way that it works is all of those 10,000 potential seed phrases that you generate from the one master seed phrase are entirely independent in the way that if somebody got a hold of that child seed, there's no way that they could work backwards to compromise the main master seed. Maybe you have a family member, maybe your mom is getting into Bitcoin and she wants to hold it herself. And she's got a hardware wallet as well. Maybe the process of that, you generate a seed phrase from your cold card, load it into her hardware, also give her the seed phrase and say like, here's your device, here's your seed phrase, keep them both safe. If you lose both of these, your money's gone, and put that fear of God into her. But at the same time, if she's irresponsible and she loses both of those things, you can then be that third line of defense. You go back and say, okay, what was mom's account? It was number 2, regenerate account 2. All right, mom, here's your seed phrase. Never do that again. I'm super bullish on the tools coming down the pike for those that wish to be Uncle Jims, and also the tools that will enable them to not have to be Uncle Jims anymore.